Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, content and content. Content and content. So, content is like digital media made for online sharing. So, this video is a piece of content. You can find other or more content on my channel. Yeah, how cool is that? I'm a content creator. I plan and record content. Yeah, how cool is that? A lot of content is planned to be recorded. Yeah, I will make more content over the next few weeks and months. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. But content. Being happy with life and not wanting things to change. So happy. Anything happy. Yeah, let's have that. Happy. Yeah, happy. I'm content with life. How content with life are you? They are very content and don't want things to change. He is more content now than ever before. Yeah. How can she be more content? What else does she need to do? How content are you with life? Yeah. They might need to change some things. Well, a few things if they want to be content. How cool is that? How having that will make him more content. Will you feel more content if you bought it? He might only feel content for a short while. Maybe. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. So, content, videos, pictures, images, content, and content. Being happy with life. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use content and content in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.